Let's cook Village Gari Fortor with chicken teriyaki. For this recipe, we will use chicken breast instead of the traditional thighs. Season the chicken with garlic, ginger, chicken spice and salt. Mix it well into the chicken and add in some cornstarch and mix till evenly covered in it. Pour vegetable oil into a pan and fry the chicken till it is well cooked. Collect the chicken from the pan and use the same pan for the sauce. Add in the rest of the garlic and ginger. Pour in a store-bought teriyaki sauce mixed with water. Bring it to a reduction under gentle heat and add in a mixture of water and cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Now add in the chicken, sprinkle in some chopped chili and cover to cook for 2 minutes. Heat some pan oil in a pot, add chopped onions, ground pepper with onion and chopped tomatoes. Let it stew and add salt to taste. Add gari into a bowl, sprinkle with water to soften the grains. Pour in the tomato stew and mix evenly through the gari. Serve and garnish with some toasted sesame seed and enjoy. The rough.